Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Simply Shev. In today's video, I'll be talking of using castor oil as an overall healthcare benefit, but also to grow your natural hair. So you know that oil that's been popping up everywhere, castor oil. It's mysterious, the thick black castor oil, Jamaican version, or indeed the one you can get at the pharmacy. It's great for beauty and it's great for health, and I've covered it before many times on my channel. In this detailed video, I'll be giving you a lot more information on how you can use castor oil for overall health. I've also incorporated castor oil into many of my mini braids challenges. You want to check out my mini braids playlist, and also on my mini twist challenges. I've done castor oil for over 30 days. So as part of those challenges, you will see me using it along the shaft of my hair. So check it out. I've also got a thin to thick playlist detailing more information on how you can use castor oil to thicken your hair. So for if you're going to want to get the best benefit for castor oil, I suggest using it for a minimum of 30 days. That's so that you can take your before pictures and compare it to see how your hair has transformed, and indeed you'll get jaw-dropping results. It always works for me. It always helps to thicken hair for me, including on my eyelashes and on my eyebrows. Okay, so the first thing is first is that not all castor oils are created equal. I referred earlier to the Jamaican black castor oil, which I hold in the highest regard, and that's made very naturally. It goes through a long process made with a lot of care, and that's the one I use on my natural hair. That's the one I show on my channel. So they're not all created equally, however they do all give you a good benefit. So even the cheaper ones that you get here in the UK, they work as well. You want to try and get the good stuff, the organic stuff, the hexane-free stuff, the cold press stuff, the kind that's in the glass jar, and that way you'll be able to get more out the product. So it's a little bit pricier, but it is really good for your skin, for your hair, for your lashes, for your eyebrows. So for eyelashes, it will make them fuller, it will make them thicker, and it will give them a luster, a lot less dropout of your eyelashes. So if you have problems with your eyelashes thinning out, and if you're a person that's always wearing mascara, worried about your eyelashes, castor oil. I don't tend to wear a lot of makeup, but I do put a little castor oil on my eyelashes from time to time if I want to get thickness there. So it is great to use on your face, on your eyelashes. So for my natural hair and where I use castor oil the most, it is great for edges. So if you have postpartum hair loss, if you're having thinning hair, if your hair just needs a little pickup, it is a great humectant. It's a great thickener for your natural hair to help to grow back in hair that you've lost due to tension, due to postpartum. Castor oil is a great oil for that, and as you will see in my videos, I apply a lot where I've had hair loss after my long challenges. Also, I use it along the length of my hair because I'm always wanting thicker hair. Here on this channel, I use castor oil along my hair shaft to give me thicker natural hair. It also softens my hair. So if my hair is just washed and I apply castor oil over it, it really feels soft. Not only does it feel soft, but it stays soft. Because castor oil is an humectant, it will draw in the moisture from the air and make your hair really, really nice and moisturized. So I recommend it 100% to incorporate in your routine. You could also add it to products as well to get an extra boost, the extra hair growth from castor oil. Castor oil is great also for your eyebrows, as stated before. My eyebrows are always, they're decent. They're not the thickest, but castor oil is a great oil to help to take it to the next level, to make it thicker. So if I ever want to thicken my eyebrow, make them softer, filling in where I may have messed up, where I've plucked them or shaved them, it's great for filling in areas that you're struggling with and get nice and thick eyebrows from using castor oil. As mentioned before, castor oil can also be used on your skin. So for overall radiant skin, you can use it on your whole face. under your eyes. If you have dark under eyes, you could also use it there as well. And it makes your skin soft because it makes your hair soft. Hair is an extension of your skin. It will also soften your face. It also helps with hyperpigmentation and fading out all of those dark spots that you have. And you could also put it down as a base of your foundation, and it's just a great oil to use overall. And there's more. Castor oil can be used on your lips. Are you struggling with dry lips, especially in the winter? Castor oil is great for making your lips plumper, smoother. You don't need to go through all that long moisturizing process. A little dabble of castor oil on your lips before you step out into that harsh weather is just all you need to have plumper, natural lips in the winter. Next up, you can use castor oil on your feet, on your toenails. If you're having problems with your toenails, years of abuse using nail polish, etc., if they are brittle, you can use castor oil as part of your nightly routine to massage into your nails. You could also use it for the back of your heels, cracked heels. You could use it for adding in moisture. It's great for thickening up your toenails as well and preventing breakage. Miracles do happen, people. You can also use castor oil on your neck. That often neglected area will be thanking you. So just to quickly warn you that castor oil does have its drawbacks for your hair. If you use it on your scalp and you're sensitive, you have a sensitive scalp like myself, you could get additional dandruff or psoriasis. So be careful when you put it directly on your scalp. It's okay for your edges, but putting too much on your scalp, you might get problems from that. Also, it draws toxins from you, so be very careful when putting it on certain areas such as your eyes, because it will be drawing toxins from your body. So once again, castor oil is great for overall complexion, making your complexion brighter, removing dark circles under your eyes, fading areas that's not so sightly. Castor oil is a great nighttime eye cream, and so it's just that little portion that you need for your everyday, your hair, your skin, and your nails. A great topical hair growth aid as well for your natural hair. Before I get into one of the best benefits of using castor oil on your body overall for health, do hit the subscribe button if you enjoy content on growing your natural hair, taking care of yourself. This is a channel for you. Simply Shev has over 300 videos showing you how to take care of your natural hair, encouraging you, giving you motivation on your personal hair growth journey and on your personal self-development journey. So subscribe for if you like content like that. Plenty more coming up in 2024. Also hit the notification bell when you do subscribe, and also give this video a like. Leave me a comment down below, especially if you have suggestions on how to use castor oil that I may not have mentioned in this video. Thank you so much. One of the greatest benefits, I think, of using castor oil on your body, and is really a game changer, is as a pain relief. Now, I've come across a lot of videos on YouTube talking to me about the benefits of using it on my stomach, particularly around that time of month. If you suffer from fibroids or any other ladies related problems, it is great for that. It is great also to relieve general aches and pain such as shoulder pain, hand pain. I have carpal tunnel in my hands. I also put castor oil on my carpal tunnel hands for that bit of relief. So it's a great topical pain relief, as well as thickening your hair, giving you great lashes and great brows. Is really a good thing to have if you have any muscular pain. So I'm not saying that castor oil is a miracle cure all. It might not work for everyone, and there might be a few side effects, as I've briefly pointed to. So you want to be careful if you are using it. But for me, the benefits of using these products far outweigh the drawbacks, and it's always something that I have on. And anyone who's going to Jamaica knows that the only thing I want back is a bottle of black castor oil, or indeed if I run out, I go to my pharmacy, I get the clear one, and it does just the same. And I say thank you so much for watching today's video. Once again, if you want hair growth inspiration, go into my playlist. There's plenty of information in there to help you to grow your natural hair in 2024. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.